Welcome to your new kitchen essential, the Joseph Nest Bakeware and Roasting Pan Set of 3, crafted from high-quality carbon steel for long-lasting durability. Each pan features a dual-layer non-stick coating that ensures effortless food release and makes cleanup a breeze. The easy pull handles provide safer, more comfortable handling even with oven gloves, enhancing your cooking experience. Designed with a space-saving stackable structure, these trays keep your kitchen organized and clutter-free. The set includes 3 versatile sizes: large, medium, and small, perfect for any baking or roasting task. Plus, it comes with a 10-year guarantee, giving you confidence in its quality and performance. Upgrade your bakeware today with this smart, durable, and convenient roasting pan set. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.